I've never minded the cold, but this is around the time of the year when it's nice enough to go outside more often each week. Jenna and I had driven out to the Wertheim National Wildlife Refuge on Long Island in hopes of finding owls, osprey, and other birds while stretching our legs on the 3.5-mile hike. Although we saw a few of what we believed to be an osprey nest, singing of the titmouses, and birds too high above to be identified, possibly vultures, we also found the peace and serenity of nature. No sounds of car engines, construction, or anything to remind us of city life. It was great. Also, the air was fantastic. In the upcoming weeks, Jenna and I will be preparing to go to the Pacific Northwest, from Portland, Oregon to Mount Rainier and Seattle, Washington. Follow us as we try out new gear and go on new adventures.